What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I am going to be talking about the Xulane patch, aka birth control. This patch also comes in different other brands. I don't know the name of the other brands, but make sure my information ain't nowhere on it. This is the actual patch, if you guys can see it. I mean, well, this is the box that it comes in. You have the reason why it's days right there is because you switch your patch on a certain day. You can pick your patch. But before I get into all that, I'm gonna explain why I chose this method for birth control and why it has treated me amazing. The first reason why I decided to do the patch is simply because I didn't like any of the other methods. If I was to take a pill, I feel like I would forget to take it. If I was to have a rod in my arm, I felt like I seen a lady, hers exploded in her arm, so I wasn't really down with that. And I hear a lot of people get really sick and like gain like a lot of weight with that method. There's another method where there's like a thing they stick up in you, and that just doesn't sound comfortable. That doesn't sound comfortable at all. So I felt like what would be best for me is the patch. The patch, what it does is puts it literally, the pill that somebody would take, it gives you that per day, and you don't have to switch it. The only time you have to switch it is when it's time for your period, if you want a period. You can skip your period, but I recommend not doing that because they say that causes a lot of health issues. But like one time I wanted to skip my period, and they come in threes, so I just wore them all the way throughout the month, and I just missed my cycle, and it was just like oh well. So, and now my next cycle was terrible. Like, oh my gosh, I was so sick. And it doesn't even, the patch, it pretty much like it lightens your period, and it makes the days shorter. Like, okay, today is actually the day that I have to switch mine. I switch mine out every Thursday night or either Friday morning. Like, if that makes any sense, because I'm a night owl. So yeah, I normally end up waiting until it turns a little Friday, and then I'll switch it like 2 or 3 in the morning. But okay, for example, is like, I might use this as an example because a lot of people they really don't understand it. I'm gonna pretend like it's January the 1st. Okay, it's January the 1st. I put on my patch. I wear it all the way until January the 7th. That was one whole week. Then I go from the 7th to the 14th. That's one whole week of me wearing the patch. And from the 14th to the 21st, I think that's right. I don't know. Another 7 more days, you don't wear a patch. And the next time that you go through 7 more days, you're supposed to go 7 days without wearing a patch. But sometimes that don't always happen because some people don't want their period. But yeah, you do 7 days in between. And like, if you really want this method for birth control, you can get it, but the doctor explained it to you much more better. This is the stuff that it comes with. It comes with some instructions on how to use it, and what I'm going to show you guys. Okay, like they even have like a little calendar right there. That week right there is the week that no patch, and it literally says that this is the type of skin that you put it on. Like, you can put it in these different areas, and that's kind of what the patch looks like. And what I do is I put mine right below my stomach, like that open area of where your like groin, like crotch area is, like that middle area. Like I make sure I wax it, and then next thing you know, I make sure it's really clean, and then I put the patch on there. They come with that, and it also helps you out even more by giving you, this is like some doctor like health instruction stuff, because this patch does, what it's done for me is it makes me not want to eat at all. Like when I'm on my patch, I really don't want to eat anything, but when I'm off it, I want to eat up the whole world. So I have lost weight with having this patch. When I first got on the patch, I was like 160 something. Now I'm like 140 something. This is supposed to help people out by like if I was to use it right now, this is what it would look like. Like I would take off this one because I already went through week 1. I would take off this because I'm on week 2, and then I would just leave this like this because the one that I take off is the one that from my period is gonna come up, and so that's how that would look. And I'm just putting these right here because just putting them to the side. But yeah, that's a downfall, I guess. Some people don't like feeling nauseous, but like I said, I was trying to lose weight, so it was deterring me away from food, so that was good for me. My boyfriend swear I'm so moody, but I don't feel that. It does make you like a little bit more sensitive to certain smells. Like before I started the patch, I used to love peanut butter. Like, peanut butter was my thing. Like I loved peanut butter. Now I can't stand peanut butter. And whenever I take off my patch, and it's like 2 days since it's been off, I go like on this mad peanut butter rave. Like I'm like, ooh, I need some peanut butter. So I feel like that made me not like peanut butter, or like certain stuff. It might make you not liking stuff. Since I'm going to be switching mines out, this is, well, I'm afraid to open it and not put it on right away. Once you open it, you put it on right away. This is what it looks like. It's so thin, you'll never feel it's there. Like, look at how thin that is. And like, it's like way thinner than that once you open it. So that's the packaging, but whatever. I feel like this would be a good method for young girls to get if y'all just want to be on birth control. You know, you need to. This is what I recommend to people. You just kind of have to keep up with your days. Like, it's gonna be one day that you pick. It can't be all over the place. I feel like that's better than keeping up with a pill. Now, kudos to those people who have the rod in their arm. Kudos to those people that have the thing that's like literally in the vagina. I forgot the name of it, but I'm not dissing any other methods. I've just never tried them and never thought to try them. So this is my method I use. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. Please like, comment, share, subscribe.
But it's all over, and we're all sober. Said you need some luck, 7 deep clover. Ooh, that girl bad, she a beef blower. So you tell her about herself, but you don't even know her. But you want a bad chick with that complete your order. And look, you see her every night, but you can't afford her. Dime piece, but she costs a quarter. Get it? And she said you just a friend. And she said you just a friend. And she with you to the end. And she love you, but that's pretend. And she said you just a friend. And she with you to the end. And she love you, but that's pretend. Hey look, her and blunts don't blend, but white girls are next to kin. You mix the juice with your gin. Tell stories about where you been and where you going. Just a moment, if we rockin', then we rollin'. Yeah, we watchin', we patrollin'. For the moment, maybe we just floatin'. And look, where you going? Just a moment, if we rockin', then we rollin'. me and we watching, we were